Do you struggle when it comes to taking actions? आप plan कर लेते हो, आपको पता है मुझे आज ये करना है, but it just doesn't happen. You want to support somebody, you want to be able to steer through a particular situation, and you're not able to do that. You feel stuck, you feel helpless. Happens, and then it takes a toll on you, leaves you feeling frustrated, angry, upset. Yeah. So what I'm going to talk about in this video today is very, very important. If you really want to be able to take those actions, if you want to be able to accomplish the tasks that you've set out to do, then you've got to do this. So listen to this video right until the end. Don't leave, because this is what will get you into action. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping corporate leaders build deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Well, intentionality. Have you ever heard of this word? I'm sure सुना होगा, बहुत सारी जगहों पर बहुत बार इसका प्रयोग किया जाता है. Intention लाओ, intentional हो जाओ. Are you even intentional about this whole thing? Right? I'm sure you would have heard it, right? Now, what does intentionality really mean? What does being intentional really mean? What it means is that you are determined, you are in sync that yes, this has to happen. I'm going to make it happen. And then you direct all your energies, you direct your thought, your feeling, everything in that direction. You manage yourself, right? So there are steps to it which will help you set your intention, which will help you be intentional. But it's about being very, very focused about that whole thing which is at hand, the task at hand. And then you just set out to do it. You're determined, like you have that aim that this has to happen, this will happen. You make it work. Now, what happens most of the times is you hear people say, oh, I'm there for you. I'm going to do this. I'm going to work on this. And then somewhere you see them making excuses or bringing up reasons for things not happening or they not being able to make it happen. Now, what I'm talking about is not how come they've not done it. Quite possible you're able to do it, not able to do it, but giving up on something is where somewhere that intention is missing. अगर इंटेंशन है, अगर मेरा इंटेंशन है कि मुझे ये आज खत्म करना है, then how is not a concern for me? Then I'm determined. I'm completely intentional about that event. And when I'm intentional about this task, I will probably do everything else also intentionally. It's a household chore. I'm going to be intentional about it. Let me finish this very, very quickly, effectively, so that I'm able to attend to the other stuff, which I've set my intention to. Right? So when we talk about intentionality, number one, you set the goal for the day. What does my day look like? What's the goal for the day? And when I say goal for the day, you break it down into the action points, the top 3 tasks. Don't make a list of like 10 things and then you're not able to do them. Maybe top 3 things. And if I finish these, maybe I'll come to the 4th one. These are the top 3 on the priority list. So number one, you set the intention by listing down the goal and the action points for the day. Number 2, you put aside all the distractions. You figure out what could possibly distract me. क्या आ सकता है उसके रास्ते में, क्या आड़े आ सकता है, क्या है जो मुझे रोकेगा ये करने के लिए, उसको मैं कैसे मैनेज करूं. I'm not saying discard things, so maybe my daughter needs my time or maybe suddenly something comes up. So can I keep aside that buffer time? Right? So managing all those possible distractions. Number 3, managing your state of mind. Because it's this state of mind that will determine my actions and behavior. So I manage my state of mind. Now, one day I may say, oh, I'm just not feeling up for it, so I am going to take rest for today. I leave things the way they are. Okay, it's okay. I'll come back to it tomorrow. Fine. The second day you may do it, but understand, you kind of get addicted to it sometimes. I'm not feeling good. I'm just feeling, for no reason, I'm feeling low. It's kind of an addiction sometimes, right? When you are intentional, then you've got to manage your state of mind. You've got to be in a state of mind that will ensure action, that will propel you into action, right? Whatever that state of mind is for you, that peak state of mind, what will get you into that? So if you have to listen music, you have to dance, you have to listen to some audio, some motivational video. If you have to you have to talk to somebody, you have to write down anything that will get you in that state of mind. Manage your state of mind, right? So these are three things which are very, very important when it comes to getting intentional about it. So if you have your tasks lined up, you've put aside the distractions, and you are in that state of mind, you're going to go for it, right? You will somehow do it. So when you bring intentionality to something, आप किसी चीज के प्रति जब इंटेंशनल होते हो तो आप इंश्योर करते हो कि ये हो जाए, उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है. It is going to happen. And then things just, when you've done these three things automatically start to show up. It'll start to happen. Right? So every time that you feel stuck, every time that your struggle is कि मैं action नहीं ले रहा, पता है सब प्लान कर लिया पर मैं एक्शन लेती क्यों नहीं हूं, or why do I get into that sulking mode? 3 घंटे निकाल दिए, oh my god, I didn't even realize 3 hours have passed. Consider you were not intentional about that whole thing, and therefore it didn't happen. That's the power of being intentional. The moment you are intentional, you will make it happen. You've put in all your energy, your focus onto that. You're completely intentional about it. Yeah. So आपका intention जो है आप वही create करोगे. You're talking to a team member, okay, and your intention is that I am going to make him feel, I'm going to make him realize what a blunder he's committed. If that's your intention, you will do it. No matter how sweetly you're talking to him, you're not shouting. Your way of being, your body language, the words that you choose will all convey that intention. It's just that how strong it is here for you. Yeah. And I'm sure you would have experienced that there are so many areas where you've had that intentionality and you would have seen the results. Right? So let's bring in that intentionality because it's very, very powerful. Have that goal for each day, right in the morning. What are those 3 tasks for the day? Number 2, put aside all your distractions, possible distractions. And number 3, manage yourself, manage your state of mind, and just get going in that direction. I hope you found this meaningful. This was just a very, very strong reinforcement that I just wanted to make. And if you liked it, if you were able to relate with it, if you were able to see that, yes, somewhere that intention is missing in your life, then 1, like this video. 2, go ahead and share with me in the comment box, what did you see for yourself? And what are you going to do differently now? Right? And number 3, subscribe to the channel if you've not done it already, because there is new content published here every day. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.